One of the smartest guys out there, I think, is that guy Verneman, who understands market structure better than most I see out there. I'm looking at this 15-minute chart. Pretty obvious the sequence. We're within a point of that gap, so risk reward should come in. And this was fairly transparent if you're looking at the 15-minute chart and if you're looking at the 30-minute chart and the 120s. Realistically, we'd said yesterday that this 36 was going to be a key, and turns out overnight everybody's panicking down there. Oh, we're going down again. If you wake up overnight and you see that you're on the top side of the blue line, you can see there's a rhythm and there's a timing. And anybody that studies the market will see that a lot of at times this market will turn 2 to 3 o'clock-ish, and all of a sudden I'll start to push. Most traders don't get it, that the markets are so thin that they can be manipulated very easily overnight. So it's like saying, fine, we're going to leave here, and this is the close, but you don't mind if we tee it off and start up here. Markets are manipulated. Anybody that thinks that this is not a casino, time to pack up and go play another game. The trick is reading the market and understanding what they're doing. A psychological edge you have over everybody else if you understand that the market can do whatever it wants. And part of understanding that is going to charts that will show you enough territory and understand breakout territories. You know, today already, had a cup of coffee sitting there with my wife, and I said, you know, the boys are going to close that 53.5 gap today. She said, when? I said, I don't know when, but they're going to do that today. It's already been telegraphed. And I said, I would not be surprised if we get up higher. I said, already I believe the low is in place for the day, and if not, then I'll be surprised. And I said, I'm going to use aggressive support, 41 to 42. And you come to your desk and all of a sudden it starts to move. All you need to do is, if it's still moving, going long side above the blue line, is get into the flow. Because we already know where the targets are. Know there's a gap up there. We started the reversal yesterday down here. You got to wait for it. Let it set. And then once it starts to rock and roll, that's when you want to be in it. Anybody that's going to be shorting now has to use the 55 area as resistance and grab a point or two against this push. And anything that starts to come back down this back, great, but I think it'll be harder than everybody thinks. If we take out this low right here, 45, then we open the door to come back into the 42s and, you know, retest in here. The Lord giveth and the Lord taketh away. Simple as that.